Now, what I had to learn in 2025 was identity shift. With AI being, what it was last year, like it seemed like it was the topic of the year for real. And seeing the power it can do, like I had to shift my identity as somebody who works with tech. So at first, let me give you an example. So at first, I've always thought of myself as, just a software engineer, programmer, whatever, computer software engineer, whatever you want to call it. But now I see myself being a problem solver. And I know what you're gonna say, software engineer, they usually, they are problem solvers, and that's true. That's true. But I feel like they solve one part of the problem, which is the technical aspect. With AI now, you have the ability to do front end, back end, get real world production advice on how to put your app in the cloud or your software in the cloud, cybersecurity practices, stuff that will usually take you months to probably research and implement, go through all the errors. It takes hours, if that, maybe minutes, if that, you know what I'm saying? And that shocked the heck out of me this year, man, because it's just like, dang, you spend your whole college years, you spend, a large amount of time studying syntax, algorithms, things like that, and that's still important. Don't get me wrong, that's still important, but now that we have AI, you're not thinking of, okay, should I use a binary search tree for this problem? Should I do boom, boom, boom? You type in what problem it is and AI will give you a solution. Prompting is important too, but we'll get into that later. Like, I really used to think my value came from how well I could write code, how well I can structure it, how many languages do I know, things like that. It's really skill maxing or language maxing, if you can call it that, you know what I'm saying? But with AI changed all of that. You no longer need like the 10 years of coding syntax grind and expertise anymore.